Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best shower caddy for men college students, the Lifewit Mesh Shower Caddy. Whether you're living in a dorm, hitting the gym, or traveling, this shower tote bag is designed to keep all your toiletry essentials organized, accessible, and dry. Right off the bat, the Lifewit Shower Caddy stands out with its freestanding design. Made from thick 300D polyester with a welt-stitched bottom, this caddy holds its shape and stands upright on its own, even when empty. This means no more fumbling to keep your shower gear upright or digging around in a floppy bag. Just unfold it, and it's ready to go. The size of this caddy is perfect for college life and beyond. Measuring roughly 7.5 by 6.7 by 9.5 inches, it offers ample space without being bulky. What makes it even more practical are the 7 side pockets paired with a spacious central compartment. This combination provides plenty of room to store everything from towels, shampoo, and conditioner to body wash, razors, and even small accessories like makeup or sunglasses. Everything you need is neatly separated and easy to reach. Breathability is a key feature here, thanks to the mesh construction. Water drains easily through the breathable mesh material, which helps prevent mold and mildew buildup. Plus, after showering, you can simply hang the caddy over a door, showerhead, or hook to let it air dry quickly. This quick dry feature keeps your toiletries fresh and clean, which is especially important for shared dorm bathrooms or on the go. Portability is another big plus for this shower caddy. The wide, reinforced handles are sturdy and comfortable to hold, making it easy to carry from your room to the bathroom, the gym, or even on trips. When not in use, it folds up flat for convenient storage, fitting easily into a suitcase or a locker without taking up much space. Durability has been carefully considered with this product as well. The polyester blend material is lightweight yet strong, capable of handling daily wear and tear. The reinforced bottom and handles ensure it won't pinch your hands or collapse, giving it a longer lifespan. In addition to being practical, the Lifewit Mesh Shower Caddy comes in a sleek black color that fits well in any setting, from dorm rooms to gyms or even at the beach. Its modern rectangular shape keeps everything tidy and compact. In summary, the Lifewit Mesh Shower Caddy offers a smart, durable, and easy-to-use solution for organizing your bathroom essentials. Its freestanding design, multiple pockets, breathable mesh, and portable features make it an excellent choice for men in college or anyone needing a reliable shower organizer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a shower caddy that combines convenience, style, and function, this Lifewit Mesh Shower Caddy is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.